Okay, Zainab, say hi to everyone. So this is Zainab and we continuing working. So let's start with our technique as usually we do. C major scale, left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Now let's try it a little bit more stable, right? And without hesitation. And 5, starting with 5. Ready, go. Oh, wait a minute. Ready, go. 5, start with 5. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Good job. Okay, let's see. What did we do? Okay, we're good with C. We're moving on to G. Good work. Okay, so keep your long fingers as usually you have to. And for the next week, we're gonna have to do G major. Did I ever told you that once we move from one key to another 5 up, right, it gains 1 sharp, right? So this one is 0 sharps. How much sharps is going to be in G? How much sharp is going to be in D? Yeah. Very good. So you're going to get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next one is going to be G major, and you have to do one. Did I teach you Father Christmas gave Daddy an electric blanket? So G major is going to have this. So C major, get your 5 plus. So we're moving on to G. So G major, you're gonna have right hand only, quarter notes, steady. G major scale. And remember it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. Let's move on. Number 2, intervals, right? The name okay, we're gonna do it right now. So yeah, I know. Just keep attention to the flags. Like, oh, what is this pretty pink thing? Just keep going. Okay, good. So let's look at, and maybe you know why it's hard, because it's pink on pink, and it's hard for you to see. So how about we're gonna do a different color? So pick a different color. I have green, I have yellow, I have red. Green. Okay. So green is going to help you to see it a little bit better, right? So it's a new thing to do. Okay, good. So let's look at this one, and you're gonna do it on your way home in the car. Okay. So this one is 5 because let's count the lines and spaces. So line 1, space 2, 4, 5. That's why it's 5. What about this one? Very good. What about next one? 6. Third. Good job. Next one. 8. Excellent. Okay, so just finish that at home, okay? And move on to 3 as well. So number 2 plus number 3. This one plus this one. Okay? Good. And this one is quite clear. So for example, this is bass clef. This one is D. So, but D sharp. So instead of, you will have to circle that one. This is G sharp. So instead of G, you circle in that one. So middle C is right here. So this one is E but flat, so you circle in this one. And this one is A but flat, so you circle in this one. Does it make sense? Okay. Good. Let's move on. Good. Let's see. Oh, wait a second. I have too many books. Okay. Here we go. Page 4. 14. Very good. Excellent. Zero mistakes. A plus. Wonderful job, Zainab. Perfect. Very good. Okay. Now, and it's kind of the same thing, naming the intervals. Because you have it in exam, I think let's skip this one. So because it doesn't matter, I think you can do it in your binder, okay? So let's move on to the next page. Sharps, flats, and natural. Oh, this is helpful, by the way. Okay, draw the sharp, make the center, name the each sharp note. Okay, this is actually useful. So the only one thing which is weird sometimes about sharp. So for example, if we say B sharp, it's gonna be C, right? But sometimes we need it because it's the way the music spells, like spelling cat with a C instead of K, right? Some people argue it's supposed to be spelled with K. So it's a spelling rules, right? So there are two white sharps, which are going to be B sharp and E sharp. Yeah, it looks like F, but it's E sharp. So when you do this one, it's going to ask you most sharps of the black keys. There are two white keys. One is B sharp, and you're going to say another one is E sharp. So you're going to write the E sharp right here. Does it make sense? So here, you're going to write E sharp. Yep. And you're going to do number two. So draw a sharp in front of each note one and just name the note. So we say F sharp, but we put sharp in front of that. So you're gonna write F sharp, another F sharp, C sharp, B sharp, G sharp, E sharp. Okay? So here you have to do number 1 plus 2. And also, again, just do it on your way home in the car or something, so it doesn't take much time. Okay, let's work. Use to cover hands. Okay, good. There's something else. Okay, so let's also look at those two notes. Okay, so play for me this one. Excellent, very good. It is D, and play for me this one. So just play the one that you think is right, and we'll correct it if it's not correct. So notice that you play G, but notice how lower this G is lower than this one. So the G is correct answer, but it's not correct G. Find the correct G. Here you go. Okay, excellent. We're gonna add just one more, and it's still gonna be bass clef to help you, to be more comfortable around bass clef. Okay, we're gonna add, let's see, something lower probably. Ooh, this is way too low. Okay, we're gonna look at this one, which looks exactly like middle C, right? It's so confusing, like why it looks like middle C, but it's actually this E, like super low E, because of the bass clef here. If we change it to treble, it's gonna become this, right? Okay, so add one more, and I'm just gonna put it right in the pile. I'm gonna have 3 of those, and I'm gonna actually, no, I think it's okay. Let's just add one more, okay? So not to overwhelm you. So you have just 3 notes to practice, and that's it. Use practice. So if it's too tricky for you to look down at one note, play one note. Right now you're playing A, this is B. Here we go. Play again. B to, oops, B to E. But do you see that G is higher? This time you have to go to the right? If I would write it down there. So let's try it one time. B, E, G, F sharp, E. Good job. G, good. And make sure your legs are very stable. So put them in front of you, because otherwise your body is feeling like it's falling down. It's very hard for brain to move your hand. It's afraid that it's gonna like tip over, right? So keep your legs very stable and sit like a princess, right? Imagine there's a crown, so don't round your back. Yeah, here's the beautiful crown on your head. Okay, and we're gonna play it one more time. B, E, G, F sharp, B. Okay. Oops, be careful. You play A, yeah? Good. You still not playing F sharp? F sharp. F sharp. Yes, here we go. Thank you. And now the top B. Do you see how this B is high? Good. Ooh. Here you go. So it's a. Does it make sense now? Okay. And I think you didn't practice this one because you couldn't see, right? Again, it was pink on pink, right?
I kind of didn't understand it.
Oh, I see. Got it. So let me put it right here as a homework. Okay, so this way you're gonna remember, okay? And just use, so do you see how, oh shoot, now it's backwards. If I would try to play it, it wouldn't sound good. Okay, so practice Harry Potter. Just use like, so do you see how it goes up? So that means you have to go to the right. B, E, G, F sharp, E, B, A, F sharp. Does it make sense? Okay. Practice Harry Potter. And we have to switch to something not Halloween-y, because Halloween has passed, right? We can do something Christmassy next time, okay? Good. So let me write it all down. And while I'm writing it all down, so I won't forget, you go ahead and show me the results of your practicing with covered hands, right? And I think for the winter recital, we're working on this one, right? Okay, so let's start with a.
Do I start with right hand or left hand?
I start with the right hand.
Do I go to left hand?
So let's try it one more time. So did you notice that was kind of okay, but it didn't sound entirely how it needed to sound, right? So make sure that you feel in the pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole note, hold. Okay, go half note, half note. Try it one more time, okay? And we're just gonna try to get the better sense of the pulse. And be careful, because right now you're on A, right? Make sure you're on G. Yes, here we go. Ready, go. Half note, half note, half note, half. Okay, I'm gonna get out. Half. Try from the beginning. note. I think what is really, so you follow in your eyes follows this one, and I think you're like, oh, I need to go down. Not really. If you ignore, only look at the note heads, ignore those, right? And ignore the stems and see how it goes up. So it's a 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and. And. Again, yeah, don't get tricked because the stem goes up, right? The note goes down. So play 3, 2, 1. Oh, now remember 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not that far, right? Good. And this one is 2, 5, 4, 2. Just say the numbers. 2, 5, 4, 2.
2, 5, 4, 2.
Good. And now say them in the rhythm. 2, 5, 4, 2. Excellent. Now let's start with 4, 2, 3, 4, 3. And. No, wait for me. And. 4, 3, 2, 5, 4. Good. So let me move your fingers so you kind of know what's gonna. 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 2. Okay. Right. I'm gonna hold it for you so you're not worried about this. You can just, your left hand can rest, and make sure that you're again sit a little bit farther. It's gonna be easier. Ready, go. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 4, 2. Let's go a little bit slower. 2, 5, 4, 2. So much better. We should just go slower. Ready, go. Half note, half note, half note, quarter, 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 quarter. Half note, quarter, 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 quarter. Ready, go. Half. Make sure it's a fourth, right? I think
I think I found the piano.
I'm gonna get it. It's right here. Okay, ready, go. Oh, wait for me. Ready, go. Half note, quarter, quarter. And make sure it's a pinky. Ready, go. Half note, quarter, 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 half note. Good job. Let's try it again. Ready, go. Half note, quarter, quarter. Yeah, and what sometimes happens, if your hand is turned out this way, it's really hard for the hand to move this way. So see if you can turn it a little bit this way so it's like nice and beautifully in line with this line, okay? Let's try it. Ready, go. Half note, quarter, quarter. Good job. Here we go. Now I'm going to erase all of those pesky little marks so not to be in your way. We're going to try it one last time and then we're going to move on. Ready, go. Ready, go. Half note, quarter, 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 quarter. Try to look ahead a little bit, okay? Ready, go. Let's see. Maybe I should use something else. Good job, but it's actually a little bit louder than piano. It's mezzo piano, so see if you can get a little bit more power underneath. Okay, ready, go. Half note, quarter, quarter, quarter. Okay, good. Try it without me pointing. Ready, go. Half note, quarter, 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 half note. Yes, here we go again. Ready, go. half note, quarter, 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 half note, half note, half note, half note, half note, half note, whole note, hold it, half. So this one is 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Good job. That was perfect. Okay, good. Now we're gonna go from the beginning, and now you're gonna play right hand, but I'm gonna play left hand accompaniment. Okay. So remember, you go half note, ready, go. Half note, ready, go. Tell yourself to go to pinky. So much better. Okay, let's do left hand. I'm going to play right hand. You're going to play left hand. Okay. Good. And make sure you're in the right position. Right now, you're. Take your time. Good job. You're absolutely correct. Scoot back just a tiny bit. Okay. Ready, go. And they so far apart from each other, it kind of doesn't make very sense. But you feel this way. Kind of swing between them, and not that bad, make pretty easy. It's like doing this, okay? Okay, ready, go. 5, 1, 4. Just step on the keys a little bit more. And you can sway your little wrist here. Okay, ready, go. 5, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. Good job. 5, 1, 2, middle C. 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, and 2, 1. job, Zainab. How are you feeling? Is it feeling a little bit easier this way? Okay, so tell me what we would prefer to do. I can ask you to put together like first four measures, or you can spend like one more week hand separately, or maybe put together only the most difficult part, which is this one, right? And the rest it just keeps separately. What do you think?
Put together the vocal part.
Sounds good. Okay, so in this case, let's do this. Mhm. So I'm gonna make a little make a little note here. Okay, so this is measure 6, 7, 8, right? I think let's start actually at 7, so it's easier to understand. Okay, measure 7 to 8 together. Mhm. And the rest keep separately, okay? And then measure 1 to end separately. Okay, good job. Any questions? No? Okay, and we're a little bit out of time, but let's quickly look at the left hand right here, okay? Right hand, left hand 3 times, right hand 3 times. So play from the left hand. Very good. Yep, exactly. Ready, go. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Quarter, quarter, half note. It's back to A, C, A, G, G, F. Ready, go. A, C, A, G, G. Try it again. Wait for me. Ready, go. A, C, A, G, G, F. Good. Let's do right hand. I'm gonna do left hand. You're gonna do right hand. Ready, go. A, F, right? A, F. Try it again. G, A, F. Ready, go. G, A, F. Bless you. Try it. G, G, A, F, G. Make sure your elbows a little bit out. Yeah. 2. And make sure you're closer. Yes, here we go. Ready, go. G, A, F, G, A. And what you need to do is just move your little G, A, F, G, A, like a ballerina. Try it. Ready, go. G, G, A, F, G, A, and G, G, A, F. Good job. G, A. Good work. Did you see how that helped? So what I want you to do, so left hand is fine, but right hand needs one more week, right? And use imagine there is a little butterfly right here. And then you have to give this little butterfly or this little chicken a flight every time. Okay, you get to keep it. That's it. Okay, so keep it for one more week. Okay, and practice mostly right hand. Okay, left hand only 2 times. Right hand needs to be 5 times a day.
With the chicken.
You can just remind yourself, just put the chicken right here into this. Yeah. Yes, here we go. Here we go, little chicken. Get to go up, okay? It's gonna make your life a little bit easier when you're playing piano. Okay, that's it. You can pack. Good. And I don't know if you still need it, but yeah, use it to cover your hands if you need to. I think you're doing much better not looking down. It really helped. And then every time you find yourself like looking down and getting you too busy, see if you can use the cover, okay?
Bye.
Bye, good job. Hello, how are you today?